Okay, hi, my name is Jacqueline, and I'm doing my synthesis of fragrant Esters lab. So always remember you have to have gloves and goggles when using anything in the lab. I have my goggles. I have my burner already on and lit, and I already have my tubes labeled. This is tube 1, tube 2, and tube 3. Okay, so for tubes, we are to add 4 drops of the acetic acid. There's the acetic acid in each tube. Okay, and then in test tube number 1, we are to put 5 drops of the methanol. This is the methanol. This is test tube number 1. Okay, test tube number 2, we are to put the ethanol. This is the ethanol. And then in test tube number 3, we are to put the isomethyl alcohol. And we have to put 5 drops of that. With this one, we will have to use a pipette, which I have here. Okay, and then we have to add 2 drops of sulfuric acid into all 3 test tubes. This is the sulfuric acid. Okay, now it says to gently swirl, shake, or agitate each test tube to mix the acids. Okay, now I already have my burner set up. So now it says to fill a 100 ml glass beaker with very hot tap water and place it on the burner stand until it becomes hot. So I'm going to put the burner underneath the stand. Okay, and then get my 100 ml. This is my 100 ml. You can see there, 100 ml. with hot tap water. I like to always set it down and put it at eye level so you can make sure it has 100 mLs, and it is. If you can see, it's at the 100 ml mark. And then I'm going to set it on the burner. Now it says it has to wait until it comes to a boil. And then once the water is boiled, we put out the burner fuel. So we'll wait till this comes to a boil. The water is starting to bubble, so it's going to be boiling pretty soon. Okay, the water is boiling right now, so I'm going to grab my oven mitt and take the water off the okay. And then we're going to extinguish the fire by just placing the cap over on top. Okay, the fire is out. Now that now it says to place all the tubes with the acid alcohol mixtures into the beaker of hot water and let them sit for 5 minutes. Okay, so they're in the hot water. So we'll let them sit for 5 minutes. I'm already getting a sense of smell from one of them. It smells like the acrylic that you use on the nails when you go get your nails done. Can you hand me the clamp from my box? The little metal clamp? Yes. Thank you. It's been 2 minutes already. We still have 3 more minutes to go. Smells like the acrylic from the nail shop. We're in minute number 3. On minute number 4. Okay, now we're on minute number 5, so I'm going to remove them from the hot water bath with my clamp. Now it says to add 20 drops of water. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Now it says to agitate them. Okay, now it says to waft them towards your nose. I'm going to use my daughter to see if she can detect the scent. Come here. Okay. Smells like the acrylic. Okay, next one. So this one, she says it smells like nail polish. Okay, next one. Oh, okay. I was talking about like the finisher. Okay. So number 1 smells like acrylic. Number 2 smells like nail polish, like regular nail polish, like color polish. And number 3 smells like the top coat that they put on your nails. I agree with her. I did smell them as 2, and that's exactly what they smell like to me and her. So now we're going to start with part 2, but I'm going to clean out all of the test tubes first. So I will see you in a few moments.